At Tradeshift, we want to create a network of companies doing business together. We are building a more connected world. My team is creating the infrastructure for these connections. Data integration is one of these topics that people always predicted that will disappear in 5 years. Unfortunately, we have observed exactly the opposite. The integration needs have exploded in the last 10 years. The technology landscape is more diverse than ever. We still have our on-premise systems, but we also have SaaS software for many different processes. We have integrated our biggest partners, but now we want to integrate all of them. And there are new regulatory requirements. Our customer and our team members are more demanding. They are expecting uniform views on data, even if they are coming from various systems, and they want real-time updates. We always had the vision to get integration out of the hands of developers. We were a visionary and precursor in the no-code, low-code movement, because development resources are scarce and expensive, and developers have a tendency to make things overly complex. All of this to say that more business-minded people are better equipped to implement and to maintain integration. Our platform is the technology behind 2 Tradeshift products. The first one is Tradeshift Link, or just Link. Link is fully integrated in Tradeshift UI. It is available in the App Store, and it is used to connect companies to the Tradeshift network and solutions. Then, on the other hand, we have what we call Babelway Classic, and this product this is a product where we offer the same type of capability as Link, but for integration outside of the Tradeshift network. For some time, we had to explain to prospects that traditional approach for integration was over. Before, you either had your integration in-house with a software and a team, or you completely outsourced it to a service provider. But in the first solution is very expensive and risky. And the second solution, you have to surrender the control of key activities of your company. So I think today, the SaaS approach is better understood, and our prospects realize that they can get the best of both worlds. They can get the control, but without the burden of the software. We know that integrations are complex nowadays, and they involve several systems. We are not talking about one document format anymore, but we are talking about a continuum of document formats. In this context, the complete visibility offered by Tradeshift Link and Babelway Classic is critical and unique in the market. And Tradeshift completes the software offering by also providing support and services. So we have professional services for all type of usage. We have professional services for our buyer integrations. We also have onboarding services with our Tradeshift integration engineers for suppliers integration. And we have the Babelway services for the Babelway Classic customers. These teams are exceptional. They guide companies through the integration projects. I'm convinced that this is a significant part of what makes our customers happy. Integration is never a goal in itself. Integration is always trying to achieve some other goals. And the goal is to participate to a business process together. So integration is an unfortunate need. So it's something necessary, but everybody would gladly delete if they could. Only to give one advice, it would be resist the temptation of mixing functional scope changes and technical integration. You should start your integration project only when the business discussions are over.